It's fun. It's funny. It's a funny game. Yeah, I don't know how we got here, but we're playing Doors again. Funny, ha. But we're not playing with Caleb today. He's doing something else. He's going to Malaysia. I'm going to Malaysia. You know, he's been chilling with the ladies. I get all the bitches, I'm just kidding. I don't get any. If you don't, I'm glad you're here. I'm lonely, Nobody watches my channel. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But if you are here, a like and a sub would be appreciated. I'm trying to race with my friend. To like at least 100 subscribers. Probably never gonna happen, but you know, you never know. Why am I black? What the? Okay, whatever. Well, I'm trying to race with my friend to 100, and then 1,000, so on and so forth. I don't even think I could get that popular, but you never know until you try. A like and a sub would be greatly appreciated. Door 5, Is it one of these big rooms? Yeah, no, it's just locked. Why did I already hear a psst? Oh no, I'm scared. Somebody help me. I gotta do it for the recording though. Dude, that shit crazy. I gotta do it for the recording, man. Okay, there it is. I don't know why, but being alone in a horror game just hits different than when you're playing with your friends. If you're playing with your friends, you're fearless, man. Take all the bullshit. Nice. No, you take all of the bullshit. You don't care. You really don't. That's just how it works, Why am I lagging though? Hold on. Alright. Door 19. Nice. Door 20. Okay, rush. Nice. This is good. I'm not gonna do any looting unless I have to. I don't know why, but my game's just been lagging out really badly. Like, I'm pressing E. Do I have to press this? Do I have to, like, press a button or something? Okay, halt. And I think I know what to do. bitch. Huh? Oh, hell no. No. Hey, hold on. Okay. Yeah. This bullshittery. No. Yeah, no, hold on. This bullshittery. I got the achievement.